At 8:15 a.m., this was the view of the Big Thompson River from inside Kind Coffee. We see the Big Thompson running swiftly like this every year during spring runoff. But by 9:30 a.m., when Cynthia Krume shot this photo, the water had risen dramatically and was beginning to surround the riverside businesses. And at 3:30 this afternoon, Amy and Rebecca were doing what they could to minimize the effects of the flood. It was very sad to see. Flo and I offered to help, but at that point, there just wasn't that much to do. Here's a few other shots from East Elkhorn Avenue late this afternoon. And now back to Kind Coffee. While editing this video this evening, I saw that owner Amy Hamrick posted on Facebook, "It's been a long, tough day with so much help and support I cannot express my thanks. I hope tomorrow will bring better news, but for now, come on, sunshine." And if that wasn't encouraging enough, Flo and I met this gal, who we thought really defined the optimism and positive spirit of Estes Park. So what's your name?
Valley Regalado Cacherison.
And you're the owner of the Dairy Queen here.
Yes, I am, sir.
How did it go, your sandbagging efforts?
We tried everything we could with what we had, and thanks to the beautiful town and community, we got it a little bit, and we can just hope for the best. The sun won't shine tomorrow, that's for sure. Maybe not today, but definitely tomorrow.